Alright, real quick video of this. This is headed toward the west side of the house. This is a master. Master closet, pretty big right there. You got a little space out here for plants, privacy. In your shower, large shower. Backyard. More backyard screen, big pool, just remarcited. Kitchen area, a little bit low on the ceiling. And there is popcorn up here. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Straight through here. We've got a wet bar. Laundry plus a half bath. Garage is right there. TV center. Dining, more windows, higher ceiling. Hope you don't get seasick with this, I'm sorry. Another little glass area, nook. And a pool bath that services both this bedroom with no flooring and this bedroom with some flooring. Back pool area. Now that fence is back 20 more feet than it should be, but the city doesn't seem to be bothering about it. Here's the pool area and the porch area in the backyard. So I think where the sprinkler heads are is about where the actual property line is, and that's where the fence is.